Hello everyone, I'm Madhya from Healing Hands Clinic and I welcome you all. Our clinic has been registered as a vaccination center and we have started the vaccination drive since a couple of weeks. During the vaccination, we've come across a lot of questions from a lot of people. In today's video, we'll be discussing and clearing certain doubts and answering all your questions. The most important question that we've come across is, are vaccinations effective? Yes, vaccinations are effective, but they're not 100% protective. I mean, they definitely can decrease the rates of severe illness and hospitalization. They decrease the rates of deaths, the rates of transmission of the deadly COVID-19 virus. However, post-vaccination, if you still get infected by the virus, you'll just face few mild symptoms which can be taken care of at home and it will not need hospitalization. So if the vaccine is not 100% protective, should you take the vaccine? Yes, you should. Because in case if you get infected by the virus and you've already taken the vaccine, you will only face mild symptoms. Like you may have slight fever, slight headache, weakness. You will not face severe symptoms. You may not need hospitalization. The second question that we've come across is, do we need 2 doses of the vaccination? Yes, you need to take 2 doses of the vaccination. So to avoid any complications, you should take the vaccines. Lots of us have this question, that is single dose of vaccine enough? No, it isn't. You need to take both the doses of vaccine. So how it works? When you take the first dose of vaccine, your body tries to identify the antigen. So when your immune system has identified the antigen, it starts producing the antibodies. Alright, so once the antibodies are produced, this production starts declining after a couple of weeks. You need to take the second dose of vaccine so that your immune system is highly activated, which means the second dose will act as an immune booster. It will help to better reinforce the immune response and it fits into the memory of the immune system. The commonest question is, what should I expect after the vaccine? Usually at the site of injection, you may experience pain, redness, swelling and tenderness. This is common. This is part of the immune response. These symptoms will last for 2 to 3 days. But if it persists, you can consult your family doctor. Usually we suggest our patients to use a wet cloth and keep it at the site of injection. At the same time, do not keep your hands or do not keep your arms immobile. Keep on using it. You can use it, you can do your daily activities. Keep it mobile so that it doesn't become stiff and doesn't aggravate the pain. Besides these symptoms, you may also face symptoms which is general body symptoms. Like you may have fever, headache, body ache and a little weakness. These symptoms also last for 2 to 3 days. There are some who do not feel any symptoms, who are asymptomatic after the vaccine. You can resume work immediately. But however, if you have these symptoms, you can take a rest for a day or 2 and then resume back to work. If these symptoms last for more than 4 to 5 days, you should definitely consult your doctor. If you have fever, it is usually suggested to take a paracetamol. You will start feeling good within a day or 2. India currently has 3 vaccines, Covishield, Covaxin and Sputnik 5. A lot of us are confused as to which vaccine should you be taking. You can take any vaccine that is currently available at your nearest vaccination center. But make sure if you're taking, for example, Covishield as a first dose of vaccine, you take the same as the second dose too. How should I come prepared for the vaccine? Drink sufficient fluids, eat proper food, do not come on an empty stomach. Also, if you're allergic to drinking alcohol, chewing tobacco or smoking, make sure you leave all these addictions at least 2-3 days prior to the vaccine and also 2-3 days after the vaccination is given. Also, because the vaccine will be given to you on the left upper arm, wear loose-fitting clothes. In the past few weeks, we've come across a lot of questions by women asking if vaccine was safe to take during menstruation. Yes, it is very much safe. The next question bothering women is, should vaccine be taken during pregnancy? Studies have shown that the chances of complications and severe illness is very high among pregnant ladies compared to the general population. WHO recommends that pregnant ladies should take the vaccine because the benefits outweigh the potential risk. If you still hesitate to take the vaccine, make sure you talk to your gynecologist and go ahead. Now let's move on to breastfeeding and lactating mothers. Should they be taking the vaccines? Yes, it is very much safe among lactating mothers to take the COVID-19 vaccine. It is generally seen that when you take the vaccine, a lot of antibodies are produced in the body which is passed on to the baby through the breast milk. So if you want to be safe and keep your baby safe, do take the vaccine. And immediately after the vaccine, you can go ahead breastfeeding your child. Although COVID-19 vaccine is very much safe to take, you should still consult doctor before taking the vaccine. If you're suffering from high sugar levels, if you're undergoing cancer treatment like chemotherapy or radiation therapy, or if your immune system is compromised, that is, if you're suffering from HIV or TB, or if you have suffered from a severe allergic reaction after the first dose. So, under these circumstances, make sure to talk to your doctor, consult him before you take the vaccine. Let's move on to something that is very much important but often ignored. How do I enhance my immune system or my immune response post the COVID-19 vaccine? Make sure you're eating healthy food, home-cooked food, drinking sufficient water. Start with your physical activities if you haven't been walking all this while. And if you have certain addictions like drinking alcohol, chewing tobacco or smoking, make sure you avoid these things at least for a couple of weeks post taking the COVID-19 vaccine. Also, studies have shown that if you get 7 to 8 hours of sleep on a regular basis, would strengthen your immune system and optimize your immune response towards the COVID-19 vaccine. A lot of you have this question that after taking 2 doses of vaccine, should you continue wearing your mask? Yes, you should continue wearing your mask and maintaining social distancing norms, because even after taking the 2 doses of vaccine, you could be a potential carrier of the virus, you could be asymptomatic or you could have mild symptoms, and you could be a potential carrier, and this would be harmful for those who are still not taking the vaccines. So unless and until the government doesn't issue fresh guidelines, continue wearing your mask and maintain the social distancing norm. Hope you found this video useful. If you still have any queries, you can leave it in the section below. If you still haven't taken the vaccine, make sure you book your slot on the CoWIN app or the Arogya Setu app and take your first dose of vaccine at the nearest vaccination center. See you next time. Till then, take care. Thank you.